Don't waste your time with other videos. This is every ride at Nagashima Spa Land in 5 minutes.
In this video, there's not going to be a whole lot of talking. We're just going to show you the rides and exactly what you want to see. Let's get started with Hakugei. Next, we turn our attention to Steel Dragon 2000, the former world's longest roller coaster. The flying coaster Acrobat is up next. A very quick look at Arashi. Followed by a collection of some of the more gentle flat rides. For more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Another roller coaster now as we head for Looping Star. A quick ride on the train, followed by the Space Shop. A quick launched coaster now with Shuttle Loop. Jet Coaster was next on our agenda. Now a quick look around at what's on offer for the kids. Don't forget, for the kids there's even a couple of little coasters. Then I got soaking wet on the Shoot and Shoot. A Funfair classic in the Wild Mouse. A few of the rides sadly weren't working on the day that we visited. Then we got back on track with the Corkscrew.
Shooting ride from the Bang Bang.
This little horror house attraction. And we finished our day with a round of some of the kids' rides.
Time. That was every ride in Nagashima Spa Land in 5 minutes. If you like videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. We will see you in the next video.
To see more of the park, you can click the button at the bottom of the page to subscribe to our channel, or click the video next to it that YouTube is recommending that you watch next. As always, thank you very much for watching. We have been Troy and Asha from Coaster Couple, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Hoping you can join us for the ride.